I want to show you this furniture mover. It's a 4-piece kit. You get 4 of these metal rollers. They're 10 inches in diameter. I'm going to move this piece here. This thing is very heavy. I don't want to unload all the books and everything in it, and I thought it'd be a great test. You get these blocks, these plastic blocks, and you get this nice metal lifting tool. It's got 3 wheels on the bottom. It's well made, and the blocks are designed for the wheels to sit right in here. Like I said, this thing's heavy, so there we go. Get the first one in. That was a piece of cake, actually. Gonna add an extra block. There we go. Get those wheels wedged in there and lift, and I've got to put a little bit of muscle into it because it's heavy. Hey, save your back and get a set of these. It's going to be a lifesaver. One-man job. You go around, pick up all this stuff. They can hold like 286 pounds per each little 3 wheels, over 1,000 pounds total, 360-degree rotation, plenty of space to put those fat legs of your couch in there. I'm going to move this out to the garage soon. I'm going to test it with some heavy weight, but hey, you can't go wrong with a set like this. Everything in it that you need to lift and roll. I really like it.